Looking for a newly MOP and moved-in condition 4-room flats? I'm Carol Wong, and today we are at Sumang Walk, Punggol Estate. This beautiful and peaceful neighborhood goes by the name of Matilda Portico. The name Matilda Portico reflects the unique veranda design of the walkway fronting the amenities in the project. This is part of HDB's effort to create a special identity and build a sense of community among residents. There are a total of 470 units of 4 and 5 rooms in one 16-story and 3 17-story blocks. The unit I'm showing today is at 2170 Sumang Walk, located in Punggol, District 19 of Singapore. It is completed in 2017 and one of the most anticipated BTO to MOP this year. Are you ready to see a modern and renovated home? I will be sharing with you my top 5 wow factors for this home. Let's go. As we enter this 990 square feet 4-room home, you'll see this long walkway that's really well designed and utilized, which brings us to wow factor number 1. These non-obstructive and stylish cabinets are actually concealed shoe cabinets that can store up to more than 30 pairs of shoes. Wow, right? And the height is perfect too, as it doesn't block the half-glass wall, and together with the ample depth forms the perfect display tabletop for your favorite ornaments, candles, photo frames, and other feel-good mementos. And past the walkway, you'll see this nicely designated dining corner where you can fit a 4 to 6-seater or a built-in booth if you like something more cozy. At the equally cozy living room, you can easily fit a 2 to 3-seater sofa, which brings us to wow factor number 2. Don't you just love this platform, which is an extension of the living room? A perfect little nook for a couple, friends or family to chill out together. So you can get some beanbag or one of those floor recliner that's really in trend now, or you can get really creative with a tatami table set so you can do your tea ceremony Japanese style. Wow factor number 3. We're facing the south, which means our back is the north. And if you believe in feng shui, this is known as 坐北朝南, which is the best feng shui facing. And if you don't believe in feng shui, you can take heart that there is no west sun. And from here, because this is a corner unit, you are able to enjoy an unblocked view from this 3/4 height window, which by the way, allows lots of natural light in for a feel-good factor. And moving on to wow factor number 4. This is my favorite part of the house, this dry and wet kitchen that is MasterChef worthy. So in this estate, only selected units will have this dry and wet kitchen option, and this is one of those units. So the owner has built this really inspiring and functional island for the sous chef in you to do your plating, and there are also ample storage in these multiple cabinets. And to seamlessly connect to the wet kitchen, we have this glass wall, which not only makes the kitchen look bigger, but allows whoever is busy in the kitchen to not miss out on the action in the living room. The master bedroom is really spacious, where other than the bed, you can fit in a side table, a dressing table, or if you need, you can fit in a child extension bed if you want to. And you also get a walnut color theme built-in wardrobe and TV console. The walnut theme is extended to the fully wall-tiled master bath as well. For the common rooms, one of the rooms has been used for a cute kids room and the other as a study room. But what's great is that there are no built-in furnishing, so you can reconfigure the 2 rooms to your needs without having to spend any hacking away costs. And last but not least, wow factor number 5. Staying in this Matilda Portico estate, although away from the hustle and bustle of the city, you're still very well connected and can enjoy lots of activities within reach. We are located near 5 different MRTs and LRT stations: Chenglim, Sumang, Punggol, Farmway, and Compassville, and also surrounded by multiple bus stops. Primary schools in the vicinity include Punggol Green, Punggol View, and Edgeview Primary. The popular Waterway Point Mall is a stroll away to meet all your shopping, F&B, and entertainment needs. At My Waterway Punggol, enjoy a range of facilities like pedestrian and cycling paths, footbridges, viewing platforms, play areas, and plenty of lush landscaping. Alternatively, jog along Punggol Reservoir at the Punggol Park Connector. If you like what you see and you look forward to more exciting amenities when the Punggol Town Centre is being built, this might just be the perfect home for you and your family. So call me now at 8820-965 to view this amazing unit. I'm Carol Wong, so follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and I'll see you soon. Bye!